Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to front in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, open your PowerPoint presentation, then go to the PowerPoint slide. Select the text and then go to the shape format menu and click text outline drop down menu. Now I am choose black color. Then again go to the text outline drop down menu and change white 3pt 6pt 1pt. Now I am choose 3pt. Again go to the text outline drop down menu. You can change dashes, round dot, square dot, dash, dash dot, long dash dot. Now I am choose long dash dot. Here we can see add border to front in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.